Hello student, today I am going to start unit 6 chapter 8 gravitation. Today topic is Newton's law of universal gravitation. What is the statement of Newton's law of universal gravitation? It states that every body in the universe attracts every other body with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Now you see the diagram. We are considering two bodies of masses m1, m2 placed at a distance of r apart. Since gravitational force is attractive in nature, so the body of mass m1 attract the body of mass m2. Similarly, the body of mass m2 will attract the body of mass m1. So both are mutually attracting to each other. According to Newton's law of gravitation, their force of attraction between the two bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. As the distance increasing, gravitational force decreasing. If the distance decreasing between the two bodies, their gravitational force increasing. According to Newton's law of gravitation, according to Newton's law of gravitation, this force of attraction between the two bodies is F, which is proportional to the product of their masses m1, m2, and inversely proportional to the square of their distance. R is the distance apart, so this distance is center to center. So inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Now combining above two factors, we have F is proportional to m1 m2 by r square. This proportional, if we write, we can write as equal if we multiply it by a constant. In this case, constant is g. So this g is called gravitational constant. The constant of where g is the constant of proportionality, constant of proportionality is called gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. So in the universe, everywhere this value is constant. The value of g is, the value of gravitational constant calculated g is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. In SI, the dimensional formula of G is m to the power minus 1, L to the power 3, T to the power minus 2. This is the dimension of gravitational constant G. Now I will discuss acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. The force of attraction exerted by the earth on a body is called gravitational pull or gravity. So when earth attracts any other body, that is called gravitational pull or gravity. The acceleration produced in the motion of a body under the effect of gravity is called acceleration due to gravity. When Earth attracts any other body, then acceleration produced on the body is moving under the effect of gravity, that is called acceleration due to gravity. So acceleration produced in the motion of a body under the effect of gravity is called acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by small letter g. The value of g is 9.8 meter per second square in SI and 980 centimeter per second square in CGS system. Now I am going to derive expression for acceleration due to gravity. Expression for acceleration due to gravity or relation between small letter g, acceleration due to gravity, and gravitational constant capital G. To derive this relation, considering Earth is a sphere of radius r, capital R, with center O, capital M is the mass of the Earth. A body of mass small letter m placed on the surface of the Earth. According to Newton's law of gravitation, the force of attraction on the body due to the Earth is given by the force of attraction on the body due to Earth is given by F equal to G, mass of the body, mass of the Earth divided by square of the distance. So distance between the object or the body and Earth is capital R, since the distance is measured from center to center. So center of the Earth to center of the body. So this is according to Newton's law of gravitation. F equal to G, small letter m, capital M divided by square of the distance. This is equation number 1. The force F on the object of mass small letter m due to the Earth produces an acceleration due to gravity in the motion of the object. When this force acts, when gravitational force capital F acts on the object or body of mass m, then acceleration is produced on the body, that is acceleration due to gravity. Then according to Newton's law, according to Newton's second law, F equal to mg. As you know, F equal to ma, here a is acceleration due to gravity. So F equal to mg. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we have, so you see left side f, so right side, since left side equal, so right side should be equal. So from equation 1 and 2 we have mg equal to g smaller m capital M by square of the distance r square. So both sides m cancel, therefore g is g m by r square. So this is the expression for acceleration due to gravity, or we can say the relation between small letter g acceleration due to gravity and gravitational constant calculated g. So from this equation it is clear that since g is gravitational constant is constant value, so acceleration due to gravity is directly related to the mass of the earth, and acceleration due to gravity is inversely related to the square of the radius. Again I am telling you, acceleration due to gravity g equal to g m by r square. So this equation is very important. So you have to use this expression for acceleration due to gravity to calculate the acceleration due to gravity at a height or at a depth from the surface of the earth. So there you have to use this equation g equal to g m by r square. Thank you.